This is a demo of the ShearCAD DNUT function. DNUT like a donut, get it? We're going to do a circular tank. We're running ShearCAD. It works, of course, with IntelliCAD and the latest version of AutoCAD 2011, 2010, all the way down to AutoCAD 2000. We're going to a blank line on the dark blue ShearCAD screen. Type in DNUT, or we could type in Z and you see the list of all the functions. Okay, we're going to click on the DNUT, and this is from the manual, the built-in manual. It tells us what the inputs mean for this function, and of course it's telling us to do one or more circles with the same center point, concentric circles of type 9 bar, or even if it gets small enough, it'll do a T3. Let's go with bar size 5. Okay, radius 1, radius 2, that radius 1 could be the shortest, in this case shortest radius, radius 2 longest. With 2-inch clearance, we basically have rings of 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 feet. It saves a lot of time there, a lot of computing going on, big time saving for the detailer. We're going to do a call out. This one's going to be the format where one of the formats where it draws the boxes and gives a title. There are many powerful options in the callouts. You can include the weight, etc. You can draw boxes, include the times or not. It's up to you. A lot of flexibility. You can pick your colors. You notice the bars are drawn in blue. The callouts are in white, but you can set that easily once you get your ShearCAD. It's a setup. ShearCAD is a setup preference where you can change the colors if you'd like. So now we're going to do the wall of the tank. So we're going to have rings, 2 rings of steel going up. We're going to have, let's set that at radius 1, 12 foot, say a 1 foot thick wall of this tank, spacing 8 inches with 2-inch clearance. That's going to give us 2 rings, or 2 layers of rings every so often. And every bar drawn to scale, of course. And what we'd want to do is figure out how many rings we need. Say if it was a 12-foot tall wall, and the rings are every 1 foot, you'd have, what, 12 or 13 rings. And we would have set the times field. I neglected to do that. Shame on me. So now we've done a text call out on that. The only thing that remains is we've got vertical bars going up, the vertical bars in the wall of that tank. Now we're going to use the span spacing function to figure out how many verts we need. I get a 12-foot radius, so pi times the diameter, 3.14 times the diameter, which is the radius, 12 foot. We're going to put that in brackets. pi times 12 foot in brackets times 2. We don't want pi times the radius, pi times the diameter. And then we put comma 8 inches. So you need that many verts. Now let's say you need 2, one each face. So you're gonna set required to 2, and the effective quantity is the x times the required times the 1. So we'll say they're 11'8", 12-foot tall wall with 2-inch clearance. So there you got your tank verts. And that's the end of our ShearCAD circular tank DNUT function demo.